Bollywood actor Sunil Shetty has once again sparked an important conversation around identity, language, and belonging in Mumbai. Sharing his thoughts on the ongoing Marathi language debate, the actor offered a balanced and personal view, making it clear that cultural pride should come from choice and understanding, not pressure. Talking about his early life, Sunil Shetty reflected on leaving his hometown at a young age and explained that the move was driven by ambition, not a desire to change who he was. He said, "I moved out from here when I was very young, not to be something else and not to be someone else," adding that his identity remained strong even as he built a successful career in Mumbai. The actor stressed that his roots are deeply connected to his birthplace. "There is Mangaluru in everything that I do," Shetty said, highlighting how his background continues to shape his life and work. Addressing the frequent focus on language as a measure of belonging, he questioned the mindset behind it. "When somebody says, 'What about Marathi?' I say, 'What about Marathi?'" he said, making it clear that language should not be used as a test of identity. Sunil Shetty was firm about opposing any form of force when it comes to language. "No, you've got to speak Marathi. I said, I don't have to do that. I will do it when I want to do it. Don't force me to speak the language." His words reflected his belief that respect cannot be demanded, only earned naturally. At the same time, the actor clarified that his stand does not come from disrespect. Calling Mumbai his Karmabhumi, he explained why he still believes in learning Marathi. "If that's my Karmabhumi, if I learn the language, I will be keeping a lot of people happy," he said, seeing language as a bridge, not a rule book. He added, "I speak better Marathi than probably most Maharashtrian kids do in Mumbai today," pointing out that learning by choice often creates deeper connection. On the work front, Sunil Shetty will next be seen in Ahmed Khan's Welcome to the Jungle and Hera Fairy 3. The release dates of both films are yet to be announced.